Hello, welcome back to Python tutorial from scratch. In this video we will learn about some more string methods in Python. Strip function is used to remove unnecessary characters from a string, example white spaces. Let us see the example on the console. As you can see, first X is removed from the string. If you don't specify any parameters, space is considered. To remove character from right side, R strip is used, and to remove from left, L strip is used. Let us see working of R strip and L strip. Thank you. See you in the next video. Do like, share, subscribe and support.